Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best bold hold lace wig adhesive is probably one of the most sought-after products in the wig industry, promising a secure and invisible bond that lasts for days, allowing you to wear your lace wigs with confidence and style without worrying about lifting or slippage, making it an essential tool for anyone looking for a reliable and long-lasting hold for their hairpieces. Number 5. The Hair Diagram Bold Hold Lace Gelly. Discover the revolutionary Bold Hold Lace Gelly from the Hair Diagram. Achieve a flawless, glueless install every time with this innovative styling agent. Enjoy a secure, temporary hold that keeps your lace front wigs and hair systems perfectly in place. It's designed for ultimate convenience and a natural look. This gel expertly melts your lace for an undetectable finish, blending seamlessly with your hairline. Style your baby hairs with ease for a polished appearance. Formulated with your well-being in mind, it's non-toxic and alcohol-free. The water-based formula ensures a gentle yet effective hold. Get long-lasting results with the convenient 6-ounce size. This styling agent is your go-to for achieving professional-looking wig and hair system applications. What we like? This product offers a glueless application for temporary hold, perfect for styling baby hairs. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to achieve a natural hairline without a strong, long-term bond, this is the one for you. It's ideal for those who frequently change their hairstyles or prefer a less permanent hold. What people say. This product is amazing and it holds my lace wig in place for weeks. It is very easy to apply and remove, and it does not damage the skin or the wig. I have tried many different lace wig adhesives, but this one is by far the best. Number 4. The Hair Diagram Bold Hold Active Reloaded. Discover Bold Hold Active Reloaded, your ultimate high-performance lace glue. It's designed to give you a lightweight, superior, and lasting hold for your wigs and hair systems. Experience a strong, invisible bond that's both water and humidity resistant. It's perfect for those with oily skin or active lifestyles, ensuring a hold that lasts. Our odorless and skin-friendly formulation is 100% latex-free and made with non-toxic ingredients. It's lab-tested and safe for all skin types, preventing irritation. Achieve a secure hold by applying thin layers and allowing them to dry clear between applications. Style your hair with confidence knowing it will stay in place. This adhesive provides a reliable hold for 2 to 3 weeks, even in challenging climates. Enjoy peace of mind with its exceptional performance. From the Hair Diagram, we bring you innovative, safe, and skin-friendly solutions for your hairstyling needs. Trust our products, proudly made in the USA. What we like? This offers a strong, invisible bond that is water and humidity resistant, specifically formulated for oily skin. If you have oily skin or lead a very active lifestyle and need a wig adhesive that can withstand sweat and moisture, this is your best bet. It provides a reliable hold for 2 to 3 weeks, even in challenging climates. What people say. This product is amazing, it holds my lace wig for days without lifting. I love how this adhesive is waterproof and sweat-proof, it keeps my wig secure even during workouts. The application is smooth and easy, and it dries clear, making it undetectable. Number 3. The Hair Diagram Bold Hold Extreme Creme Reloaded. Introducing the ultimate solution for a secure and invisible hold. This powerful cream is designed for lace front wigs and hair systems, ensuring your look stays flawless all day long. Experience an extreme hold that remains completely invisible. You can trust it to keep your hair system in place without any visible signs of adhesive. Our formula is non-toxic, with no harsh odors or latex. It's gentle on your skin while providing a strong, reliable bond you can count on. Don't let humidity or water ruin your style. This cream is humidity and water resistant, offering peace of mind in any weather condition. Enjoy long-lasting confidence with a hold that won't quit. This product ensures your wig or hair system stays put, allowing you to move freely and confidently. The reloaded version is engineered for superior performance. It's the perfect choice for anyone seeking a dependable and high-performing hair adhesive. What we like? This provides an extreme, invisible bond that is humidity and water resistant, with no odor or latex. If you need the absolute strongest hold for your lace front wig or hair system and are sensitive to odors or latex, this is the ultimate choice. It's designed for maximum security and longevity in all conditions. What people say. This product is amazing and it holds my lace wig in place all day long, even through sweat and humidity. I love how easy this adhesive is to apply. It dries clear and doesn't leave any residue. This is the best lace wig adhesive I have ever used. It is strong and reliable, and it doesn't irritate my skin. Number 2. The Hair Diagram Bold Hold Lace Remover. Introducing our revolutionary lace remover, designed for a seamless and gentle experience. Say goodbye to difficult removal processes and hello to ease. This powerful formula effectively breaks down adhesives without resorting to harsh chemicals. Enjoy a clean removal that's kind to your skin and hair. We've formulated this spray without any harsh solvents, dyes, or harmful fumes. You can feel confident using it around your clients and yourself. It's the ideal solution for removing tape, lace glue, and residues from wigs, extensions, and hair systems. Achieve a professional finish every time. Our Bond Release Spray ensures that all residue is easily removed, leaving your hair systems clean and ready for reapplication. Experience a truly residue-free finish. This 4-ounce bottle provides ample product for multiple uses. Experience the perfect balance of gentle care and effective adhesive removal. What we like. This is a Bond Release Spray designed for residue removal without harsh solvents, dyes, or harmful fumes. If you need to safely and effectively remove wig adhesives, tapes, or lace glue without damaging your wig or skin, this is the perfect solution. It ensures a clean and gentle removal process. What people say. This product is amazing and holds my lace wig in place all day long. I have tried many different adhesives and this one is by far the best. It is strong and reliable, and it does not irritate my skin. The application is easy and the hold is very secure. I would definitely recommend this product to anyone looking for a good lace wig adhesive. Number 1. Scalp Care Protector Easy Apply Liquid Kit. This product forms a protective layer on your scalp, enhancing adhesion in challenging weather. It also acts as a barrier for sensitive skin, preventing irritation. Achieve a superior hold with tape or adhesive glue, even on oily skin. This ensures your front lace wig stays secure during activities like swimming or sports. Apply your wig glue or bonding product after it dries for a better, natural-looking bond. It's perfect for achieving seamless hair extension looks for everyone. Clean your scalp first, then apply this protector and let it dry completely. We advise against using it on already irritated skin. You receive one 1.4-ounce bottle of our scalp protector. Plus, we offer our happiness guarantee for your peace of mind. What we like. This acts as a waterproof scalp protector that improves adhesion, even on oily skin and in hot, humid weather. If you have a sensitive scalp, experience irritation from adhesives, or need enhanced grip during sports and active use, this product is essential. It creates a barrier for comfort and a more secure, longer-lasting hold. What people say. This product is amazing, it holds my lace wig securely for days without lifting. I love how this adhesive dries clear and is completely undetectable under my wig. It's waterproof and sweat-proof, which is a huge plus for me as I live in a humid climate. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.